Hi, how you doing? So I made some vanilla castor oil and packaged it for sale. So I'd like to show you the process. Especially vanilla-infused castor oil. I've been interested in it for a while. I tend to use castor oil for my face, for my brows, my hair. And usually when I have something in my routine that I'd like to make it known. And the best way I can make things known is through my platform. So here we are. So I'm making some packaged castor oil infused with vanilla oil. I also made some without the vanilla oil because I understand that people like to use castor oil just on its own as well, me included. But the vanilla oil infusion is something that I really like because of the scent and also the extra benefit of vanilla oil itself. So I have these containers from Amazon. So the glass bottles, they're the 30 ml glass bottle, and they have the dropper. So I'm essentially just assembling it together. So I wanted to show you how you yourself can make your own vanilla oil infused castor oil. And really the benefits, it's good for for hair growth. It's also good for the face as well. If you have any dark spots like I do and you're consistent, it eventually will fade it away. And I've been using it consistently now, and I'm getting good results. The package that I bought from Amazon, only one came broken. I'm just gonna leave it that way. So the castor oil I'm using is by Greenleaf. I purchased it from Amazon as well as the vanilla oil. So I'm just doing a small test batch, but I ended up making up to about 20, which I'll show you at the end. So essentially I just have the 100% castor oil in about I believe that's 125 ml jar, the glass cups. So about half of that, 75 mils. Then I added 5 mils of the vanilla oil and mix it together. I put it on a double boiler, on the stove to make sure that it's all melted together before packaging it. I packaged it while warm as well, not hot, not warm hot, but like lukewarm. And yeah, I also made the label by measuring the label of a bottle that I had prior, and turned out to be about 2.5, so 2-inch height, 5-inch wide, and designed the label using CapCut design space and cut it out using the CapCut Maker, which is now the CapCut Maker 3. So here I am doing it. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. Find how you can make your own, and if you don't want to make your own and don't want to buy it in bulk, you can also purchase it on dassahlyshop.com. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good one. God bless. Love yourself. Love God. Bye.